So my name is Bala Kadlor, and I'm the CEO and founder of Nlightn Technologies. So over the course of the last 10 years, where I've managed business intelligence, data, and analytics, I've come to learn one thing, which is there's more and more and more dashboards. It gets to a point where it's almost impossible for the business intelligence and analytics teams to keep track of what is going on, let alone answer any questions. And so here's a typical scenario in a week of an enterprise. Here's an executive, rings an alarm that some metric is on fire, and everybody within the organization run as though their pants are on fire. The data comes first. Oh my God, did we do something wrong here? The analyst next. Oh, did we count this thing incorrectly? And then the business follows. Oh my God, there's something that we're going to find here. And then guess what? We all think that there's some tangible outcome or business value coming out of this. But unfortunately, there's none. Why? Because it's a simple question of answering a question whether a metric was up or down and why. And it was as simple as that, and there's nothing coming out of it, nothing that the executive can act on. And we want to change all of that. We want to put a data scientist in the palm of every executive's hand so that they have an understanding of where their KPIs are going and what they should do with it so as to be able to impact their bottom line or the top line of an enterprise and then be able to drive their business towards the goals more effectively. So we're a SaaS-based platform, and our algorithms actually reside on the cloud, and we read into the data sources. We don't copy the data, but we just read the data, and then our patent-pending algorithms basically compute the insights on the KPIs that an enterprise defines. And once they define that, they're able to consume that using a mobile app and using the subscription model, which they can subscribe to. So the traction that we've had so far is that we've completed 2 beta customers. One is a supply chain logistics company that actually fulfills orders from YouTubers by fulfilling merchandise by sort of outsourcing it to external vendors. And when we provided these metrics, what we found that the ship lag was an interesting metric that allowed the supply chain logistics company to be able to call out vendors that they're doing better than expected and call out to the ones that are defaulting their contract obligations. And for the ones that are doing better, we were able to actually push the holiday order cutoff time to a further point in time so that they could actually not only maximize their revenue, but also impact or not impact the customer satisfaction negatively. The second one was a program management or online program management internet company that were launching hundreds of campaigns, hoping for some kind of a trial, conversion that would lead into some kind of a customer trial. And when we were able to provide these metrics, we again found out that some trials were from a specific set of sort of campaigns that were actually run, and that they would be able to sort of dwindle down to those few campaigns that were effective, and then move their marketing budget more effectively to be able to convert that into revenue. So we have one more multinational company actually that is waiting for a 3-month period, and we have a well-founded team with deep expertise in data and analytics. With some of the companies that you read are like the FANG of the society today. And we're not only looking for customers for pilots and POCs, but also trying to raise some funds to hire some key personnel and complete our product 2.0. We're Nlightn Technologies. We're looking to put a data scientist in the palm of your executives. Thank you so much.